Hear that? A low, steady hum, like a lighthouse in the dark. Only this lighthouse lives on Saturn. I'm talking about the Saturn Hexagon, a perfect six-sided storm locked to the planet's north pole, spinning like a record that never ends. And today, I'm asking a wild question. What if it isn't just weather? What if it's a giant signal repeater for the Matrix? First, the facts. The Hexagon is real, first captured by Voyager in the 80s, later by Cassini in stunning detail. It's bigger than Earth, sharp as a geometric logo, and it's been running for decades without drifting. Winds whip around its edges at hundreds of miles per hour, yet the six sides hold, like a cosmic metronome. No other planet shows anything quite like it. Now, the weird part. A hexagon isn't just a shape, it's efficiency built into geometry. Honeycombs, crystals, graphene. Hexagons pack space, move energy, and tile reality without gaps. If you were designing a broadcast system to keep a signal coherent across a stormy medium, a hexagon would be a pretty smart choice. Imagine Saturn as a tower. The rings, thin, cold, bright, scatter light and radio like a halo of mirrors. The hexagon at the pole? That's the dish, the tuner, the lock. It grabs a frequency, spins it stable, repeats it into the solar system. Not a message you decode with an antenna on your roof, but a synchronization pulse, a heartbeat for a simulation. Look at how it behaves. It stays put, while Saturn's atmosphere roars around it. Seasons change, sunlight fades, storms erupt, and the hexagon just keeps time. Why does it prefer 6 sides, not 5, not 7? In fluid dynamics labs on Earth, scientists can coax polygons from rotating flows, triangles, squares, hexagons, when motion meets resonance. Resonance is nature's yes. A repeater loves resonance. And what would a matrix even need? Not drama, stability, clocks, anchors, places where chaos organizes itself so well that everything else can sync to it without noticing. You don't store code in stone tablets, you write it on rhythms, cycles, harmonics. Rhythms, cycles, harmonics. If the universe is a song, the hexagon is a click track. Is this proof? No, it's a lens, one that turns a cold storm into a hot question. So here's how I test the idea. Track the hexagon's rotation like a clock and compare it to cycles on Earth. Power grid oscillations, biological rhythms, market pulses. Watch for phase-locking events. Map ring plane alignments with solar activity. Does the beat change when the sun changes? Whether it's a weather stunt or a cosmic rooter, the hexagon invites me to listen, to lean into the hum behind the world and ask, what else is repeating? Maybe the matrix isn't wires, it's patterns that refuse to fall apart. Maybe the strongest signal is the one that never raises its voice. So next time you see Saturn, don't just look, tune in. The sky might already be talking.